welcome back to my channel. You know who I am. I am Winner Channel, and this is my channel. I'm showing you right off, and I really want to kind of go again through my channel with you. If you go through previous video that I made, I kind of show you the path of getting monetized. Again, if you are there struggling monetizing your channel, you are not alone. I'm here you, and I'm also going through the same thing. So I just want to walk you through with it, so we can kind of follow my path of getting monetized organically. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, come back again and turn the notification on, because you're gonna be receiving notification when I load my next video to you, right? So stay tuned and let's go through it, right? So this is my channel. And I had it since last year, and I made some video. Let's go to the content page. I made some video in all the way, right? Let's look at the day in June of 2022. Right, so I made some videos. Video were great, 8 minutes all the way through. Made it public. So in June, you can kind of see I post about 6 videos in June last year, and I ran out of gas, right? And I ran out of gas. I came back again in December. I say, hey, shoot, right? Let me get my channel monetized, and then December I post 3 videos, and today I'm recording a new video in 2024 to just kind of show you, right? So I did apply for monetization at some point, but was not really successful with it. But that's not the point. That's not the goal of not continuously be active and posting content out there, right? So you have to be true to yourself. One lesson that I learned there, right? You have to be true to yourself. You have to kind of record content that belongs to you, and it's you. So if you kind of look at some of the content that I recorded a little bit earlier, see, don't give up on monetizing. And if I play this content to you right now, it's just me, my channel, and it's gonna go a little bit. So I'm gonna turn the volume down. See, that's me right there. See, that's me. That's me in 2022. So it has been 2 years already, a year and a half. So that's me. You see me. I'm just doing the same thing I'm doing to you. My logo was a little bit not so nice before, but yeah. So that's me. So those are my content, right? Even though I use a thumbnail that seem to be kind of like identical thumbnails, they are my video. I am in there just like I'll put a thumbnails on this video so you don't see me from ever. But look at this video that I started recording in December, right? So and it's really me. I keep it simple because thumbnail and things like that. I just pick the right thumbnail from my video, and I didn't do any kind of like work. And if you kind of look at the analytics on this specific video, I had a 457 view and about 4 hours watch time plus 130 plus subscribers. So people actually like me coming back, right? And then watching me and reaching out, hitting the traffic very nicely. The engagement was great, picking up, right? So, and that's on this video. So the audience were, very good, right? I think, I have an audience all the way US and so on. But the goal is what? The goal is that don't give up, right? Don't give up. I try to kind of record video through building content a little bit differently this year, and starting in last December. So the goal is to continuously keeping up with your content, right? Trying to put the content out there. And if you kind of hit the copyright, so there's not really a copyright issue. And if you kind of hit my monetizations, look at what I am, right? So I am about over 3,000 subscribers, because I opened the channel over a year, a little bit over a year and a half now. And I'm still working to get monetized, right? This channel is not monetized here. So it's not like a perfect solutions where I say, haha, and recording to you. I just want to go through it with you. But really what I wanted to kind of review is my dashboard, my path to where I am right now. And it doesn't really matter how many years or months you have been there, right? So I just want to kind of continuously showing you. Content that I have been creating. Let's take a look at it, right? Let's take a look at it, right? So videos are, I don't know, 10 now. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I think this will be the 10th one. I will post it. How many shorts? Few short, and these short I created them myself, and I can do another video on how I created them. I know through YouTube, the algorithm may pick it up and say it's not yours, but as long as you show YouTube how, because in some of this I kind of use some 11 lab voice and things like that, but these are not really necessary. If you kind of look at the views on this, these are coming to be a great view, but I'm focusing more on the video. Right, I'm focusing more on the videos, and this video I made, when that like 7 minutes videos, but I want to make more videos, content that are more than 10 minutes, right, to get my viewers engaged, right? So what does this channel needs to get monetized, right? And I'm still trying to figure it out. I don't really know it, but I'm still trying to kind of figure it out, right? Just like you are here to trying to figure it out as well. My channel need a little bit of SEO work, right? And my channel also need a little bit of content, right? Pure content, me and stuff like that. My channel need thumbnail. So my channel need anything that is SEO driven, right? So I do have the followers, the subscribers already. And I do know how to make good content, but what I don't stop and do is to stop and ask myself, how will others feel when they are watching this type of video, right? And meaning that good thumbnail, good tags, good descriptions, and good titles and things like that. And some of the mistakes I made it here, right? In my previous video, say, it's me, watch me now, let's go, right? It's a good title, but if you kind of look at the descriptions of it, right, you won't see too much of it. But I really want to put too much of it. It's me, hey, I'm showing you, I'm talking to you in December, hey, right? So that's missing a little bit of SEO work. And if you kind of look at the tags, probably didn't put any tags here. Right? So this video, if you kind of look at the analytics of it, it can do more, right? It can do about 1 million views if I added those things. So I'm not here to sound perfect, right? I don't think the goal is to sound perfect and lie to you and show you something that is not. But the goal is to be realistic about the journey, and whether you get monetized or not monetized, you can restart the journey, but don't do it the way you have done it before, right? That's insanity, meaning that you're continuously doing the same thing over and over again. You're not learning any lesson out of it, right? But here is to be truthful, because 2022, when I opened this channel, was almost 2 years now, right? But we don't want to continuously doing those things like the way we are doing here. But channel monetization is one of the biggest part of your journey, because as you monetize your channel, as new strategies come, as new decisions come, as your bread and butter comes from there, and as you manage things going forward. So I think my goal here is to kind of show you, right? Like if you look at my subscribers, right? Analytics. Let's go to my analytics and look at my subscribers analytics. If you kind of look at it from how many subscribers I have over the month. If you kind of look at the analytics of on the how I achieved these 3,000, you can see, right? It's just plain growth, right? It hit, because that's where I loaded 6 videos. I told you right away. It hit the roof there, and then it goes. It stays steady because I wasn't making content, and then when I started making content again, it goes up, right? Again in December, and here we in January, right? And it's picking up a little bit in January. So I think this kind of like a growth path and things like that, and also channel icon, profile picture also can make a lot of good sense if you try to kind of see how you growing up there. The watch hour, I don't really pay attention to the watch hour. I'll talk to you a little bit about that, but as you make good content, the watch hour is going to come back, right? The subscriber is really what you want to capture, right? And what you really want to make sense to. Are they speaking the same language as you are? And what do they like, right? Reality is that you continuously making good content. You continuously being pure. You continuously using your own content, your own image, your own video, your own script, your own voice. I think slowly you get there. The watch hour is gonna peak back, right? The goal is to have the lesson learned, right? Don't build a habit and going into a tunnel where really the bad habit starts showing and then slowing you down. At that point, it hurt, right? But build a good habit along the way, and then continuously building content and your channel, and going to certain path that you wanna take to get to be successful, right? Don't It's not a marathon. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint, right? So just continuously running slowly. And I mean, it could be nice today where I have 4,000 or 5,000 K of watch today. But I think that's not the goal. The goal is that, am I building good content? Am I doing good thumbnail, good SEO? Does my audience know what I build, what I put up there, how I put it up there, my hard work, my ethics, my scheduling of posting, my video description, my video titles, my tags, all of those things needs to be checked, right? And then on this channel, I didn't do kind of like a good job at first to focus in there that time. I think it was in COVID 2022 and so on. COVID was fading a little bit there. So I didn't do good job. So take the responsibility on yourself and start working on a path there. But I'm telling you, the reason why I'm recording this is because I wanted to document my own word, my own path to success, right? It's not a competition versus who else is out there trying to get monetized, but it's kind of document my own path as showing you how to also get there as well with me or with yourself, right? So you will see me monetizing this channel, but you have the evidence from since when I started loading my first video and all the way when I come back and push for more of myself naturally, uniqueness and things like that in there with no artificial involvement or voices out there. So I think that's the goal, right? That's the goal. Remember, you are not running faster or sprinting to any destination. The destination is yours, right? So comment. Comment has been great, right? I mean, comment has been great, right? I mean, I engage certain people on certain video. I make some really good content. You know, I picked up the what's it called? I picked up Meta ribbon sunglasses, and you know, I made a cool video that people like out there. See, that's that I was traveling a little bit in December, and I made a video kind of showing doing a road show of how Meta sunglasses were in my face recording. So all of this is the pure natural, really. And this video I think made some good. So this video I think did 102 view and organic views, right? And then two subscribers. I'm not in the mindset of promoting any of my video yet because I still think that it's a work in progress, right? And let's see if on that video, let's see where people kind of watch me from, right? Let's look at the analytics, right? So let's look at the reach so instant camera shot. Let's look at the engagement. Let's see. Engagement started on the top, and that's for most real. Let's look at the audience and see the geography. United States, right? So 96% of the audience geographically were in the United States because I was visiting United States city, and so it picks up people from there as well. And that's a very pure short video. But the goal is to continuously doing the things that make sense and it's not driven by anybody but you, right? So like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and wait for the next video to be uploaded soon. Thank you.